garlic them up and, you know what I mean, fry them off and give it a lovely flavor and taste and nice. Today we want to do you a nice lovely king prawn, right? I got some sweet chili sauce left in my cupboard. I need to use it up, so I might do some sweet chili king prawn. Yeah, lovely and nice one, guys. Enjoy the recipe and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for tuning into the show, and also stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Leave your comments below and subscribe to the channel. And thank you so much for watching my show. Thank you. One more time. Chef Ricardo cooking show is amazing, guys, to be in the kitchen. First thing we're gonna do, I must say I have roughly about 500 grams of king prawn right here. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna sweet chili fry them off. First thing what we're going to do is pop a teaspoon of olive oil or vegetable oil, whatever you want to call it. We got a medium-sized white onion. Finally cut it up. That's the white onion, and then we're gonna put one spring onion. Four cloves of garlic. Really nice and easy and simple. Next, simple. Nice one. Give it a lovely mix like this. Now look at this. Medium-sized front pan on the stove. Medium-sized heat and a pinch of oil. Then chop everything in it. Not gonna take too long. So in the meantime, what we're going to do is put some seasoning. Mixed herb, pinch of mixed herb. Pinch of pepper. And some fish seasoning. Pinch of fish seasoning. Give it a stir. So now that we're going to cook it in the garlic. Lovely and nice, as I can see exactly what's going on. So basically what we're going to do, I got a little bit of tomato and basil sauce left back. See? Tomato and basil sauce. Just gonna pop a little bit of tomato and basil sauce, fine. Give it a quick stir. Just to change the color. Then we're going to put some sweet chili sauce in it. And give it a good stir. Nice one. Leave that for about 5 to 6 seconds. Alright? Nice and lovely, as you can see. Look at that. Beautiful. Now this is finished. It doesn't take too long. I don't want to overcook them. Just gonna share it out and make you guys see exactly how you look on the plate. Alright? Enjoy the recipe. Nice and lovely, as you can see exactly how the prawn looking so lovely and nice. So you can enjoy the recipe. Please subscribe to the channel and leave your comments below. Got a lot more ideas, tips and recipe coming your way. King prawn with sweet chili sauce at home. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Bye bye. Nice and lovely, guys. It's just amazing to know what you can do in the kitchen. Look at that. Beautiful and nice. King prawn served with Mexican spicy rice, stir-fried veg and sweet corn. Corn on the cup. Enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching my show. See you next time. Bye bye.